Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on heart coding. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce something I've been working on, a brand new admin dashboard for e-commerce food ordering systems built entirely by me using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. If you manage an online food business, you know how crucial a robust backend is. This isn't just a template, it's a complete system designed for efficiency and total control. We've packed this dashboard with over 25 unique pages to handle every aspect of your operations. Here's just a glimpse. You get essential pages like login and user profiles. Then we have the core business modules, order tracking, and order removal. For your inventory, there's dedicated space for product details and product addition. And that's just the start. There are many, many more pages covering users, reports, and settings. And the best part? Every single one of these 25-plus pages is fully responsive, ensuring your dashboard works flawlessly on any device, from a desktop monitor to a smartphone. This dashboard is ready to be the central command for your food delivery empire. It's clean, modern, and highly functional. If you'd like to see this dashboard in action, a live preview link is available in the description box below. For those ready to integrate this powerful tool into your e-commerce system, the purchase link is also right there in the description. Don't just run your business, control it with the heart-coding food ordering admin dashboard. Check the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.